This is the lightweight Aotedor electric wheelchair. With the wheelchair, there comes a toolkit, excellent user guide, and a charger. To assemble your Aotedor wheelchair, one hand on the seat, the second hand on the seat, and open. Locks into place just very simply. Okay, here's the controller. Very simple, on-off switch just here. We've got a plus and minus. This increases the speed and decreases the speed. We've got a horn here. And the final thing, we've got a LED light, which is underneath the controller. Okay, to assemble the controller is also very simple. Just slides into the slot here. And then you adjust it to suit the length of your arm. Just simply tighten it into place. You're ready to go. Sometimes you'll need to remove the battery. Removing the battery is a very simple procedure. Just pull this cable just here to remove the battery. So simply undo the zipper and take out the battery. You can then charge it. There are two ways to charge the battery. One is to use a charging cable, which simply plugs into the battery and then directly into the wall. The second way is to leave the battery in place and charge through the controller. Your Aotedor wheelchair has two modes: a manual mode and an electric mode. If you don't activate the electric mode, the control panel will not work. To activate the electric mode, you simply push the two handles into place, and then you'll find that the handle will activate, and you can use your Aotedor wheelchair. If you're feeling a little tired of pushing your Aotedor electric wheelchair, there's another very useful device. Switch on the control panel, and switch on this little device here, and then you can find that your Aotedor lightweight wheelchair is made of very high standard carbon fibre. It has one excellent safety feature, these anti-tip wheels, which will give you a lot of confidence when you're using your wheelchair. It also has this very, very easy to use, quick release seatbelt. I've used this Aotedor electric wheelchair now for quite a long time. And I want to say it's an excellent product. It has a couple of very, very strong features. One of them is its lightweight. It's only £35, and that's due to the very high quality carbon fibre. The second very excellent quality is how compact Very, very easy to fold. And will easily fit. So in the package you will find the Aotedor wheelchair, a toolkit, a user manual and a charger. To open the Aotedor wheelchair, one hand here and just press. Very easy. And finally, just snap this into place. And to install the controller, just slide it on to the arm. Take the fixing device, simply slide it into place and tighten it up. To lift the armrest is a very simple procedure. Just press the button and lift. Put it back into place. To adjust the handlebar is also very simple. Just undo the two screws at the back and lift. Push down to replace and tighten the two screws up again. Okay, now we're going to remove the battery. The first thing we need to do is disconnect the lead. Very simple, just put it safely. Underneath there's a clip. You just need to operate the clip and then very simply just pull the battery out. There are two charging methods for the battery. The first one is on the battery just here, and the second one is on the controller. I can show you that just here underneath the controller. Also we have anti-tip wheels. They're operated by just pulling this clip and then removing the wheel. Here you can see we've got 3 settings. just simply put it back into the slot and then set it to wherever you need it. The seat and the backrest are both made of breathable material, so they're very comfortable. To remove the seat, you simply just lift, it's just a Velcro seat, and then to put it back into place, just press into place. There are two storage bags, both very useful. The first one is underneath the seat, just here, very easy access. And the second one, backrest of the seat, also very useful. On the wheelchair there is a locking device. At the moment it is in a lock position for it to be used in a powered mode. Just push these two red clips down and it becomes a normal wheelchair. Push it back up and it's locked. For extra safety and extra durability, we have 4 solid rubber tyres. Very safe. The operation of the Aotedor wheelchair is very simple. It's a power switch, a horn, accelerator, and forward. Push forward to move forward, turn, and to reverse, and forward. Okay, and to fold the Aotedor wheelchair, you just simply push this, and you go around the front, lift up the foot plates, and then just